what you never really gotta fuck with. Ain't never gotta fuck with. It's good to be feeling yourself, but don't mess it up. Some call it the gang, the mob, Celestials on the street, and some call them social media influencers. The nature of this seems quite complicated to understand, but in the beginning there was the art, the key to pulling everything together, form a figure, and also ironically destroy them completely. Well, money. I mean, who really has an art-like definition to this term? I just need that shit to buy new hoodies from Tokyo.
Where the money at? Cause we love that shit. Bands in my pocket and my bra hide that shit. You got the audacity to steal my shit. I put a hole in your face, my art game, bitch. Money art, money games, my weed spend it. Spread the moolah on my face like a caveman shit. With the game talking, better go and shut your list. Cause if I hear talking, we'll jump on your bitch. Back coops, Vivian West with other pennies. Then I beat the chickens up just like them. That's a toy, skull locked on my phone. Skull locked up in my hoodie and I ride it with the bunny. Our gang has got the money and I jump down. Jump out boys, keep a teenagers go whipping your car toys. One I go shit for the money but you fuck boys. I don't get the message of rappers keep on meaning cause 난 $1,000 바지 내 옷 위에는 토끼 나는 머리 한번 풀고 네 여자친구 뺐지 자꾸 내 생각이 나는데 네 옆에 있을 때 제일 Tigers on my feet, our gang is smoothie designer moody, I'm on the bougie 네가 뭐 미치지 않은 이상 네 인생이 궁금할 리가 없지 Let's baby 나는 손 달려 토끼 도쿄에서 왔으니까 I'm moving low 갈지 I'm offline fire with that bass looking at the cat chase my money bitch face and my money made face hey life bright there's a model vision bright with the girl see me gone 아침에 놓치면 난 거기 없어 친구들 돈을 벌고 우리는 망할 리 없어 straight up money make us 니시 가요 우리는 I get money where the I come from I get money where the money come from I get money where the game come from I get money money I get money where the I come from I get money where the money come from I get money where the game come from I get money I told you I had a game on me all this time now fuck off and listen to
지금 태어났어도 장 먹고 고간지 욕하는 애들은 계속 나를 욕하지 상대해주기에는 반대편 like 오락실 친구 없잖아 you welcome 고맙긴 보여주고 있지만 인정을 못하지 보여줄 건 넘쳐나서 매일 골랐지 난 이미 담담 레벨 안에 속하지 방 안에서 제발 나 너만 몰랐지 좌우로 저된 고개 거기에는 저는 설득력이 없네 아직도 몰라 난 이유 20곡에 나랑 마주치면 어쩌려고 그래 yeah 소비가 30대가 됐을 때는 Reddy처럼 살고 싶대 Oh be like me 나는 돈 먼지 파묻혀서 늙어갈 거야 Oh be like me Alright gang gang poppin' my tech tech 간지는 내 이름 사이에 쓰는 nickname Alright gang gang 내 처음이 fat ass 뭐지 싫어 날로 motherfucking FedEx Alright gang gang poppin' my tech tech 입금이 될 때만 따라 난 해시태그 Alright gang gang 내 처음이 fat